It was manufactured by the company Astra, Unceta y Cía, located in the Biscayan town of Guernica and Luno in Spain. The Astra 300, like all the models derived from it, has a tubular slide. Its construction is simple, and it is equipped with a powerful extractor, with the barrel attached to the frame by means of 4 projections that fit at the height of the chamber. One of the negative points of this pistol is the disposition of its hammer, hidden. It also has 3 locks: the flipper, the magazine, and the grip. The latter permanently blocks the sear, so the pistol cannot be fired if it is not correctly gripped. Manufactured with the same quality and operating system as its older sister, the Astra 400, the Astra 300 used 2 different cartridges, the 380 Auto and 32 ACP. Due to its aesthetic similarity with that era, it was also known as Purito. Its appearance does not place it among the most elegant weapons, but the robustness of its manufacture and the use of the best quality steels place this pistol as one of the best Spanish ones. It has a fast enough rate of fire and excellent performance. While the Star 1919 was reputed to be the pistol used by syndicalist gunmen, hence its nickname, the Astra 300 was reputed to be used by Falange Española gunmen as well. In accordance to the Astra 300 epic advertisement, Único modelo reglamentario para GFC officials de la Marina de Guerra, Cuerpo de Prisiones, Policía Marítima y Cuerpo de Vigilancia y Seguridad del Protectorado de España en Marruecos, the only regulatory model for Navy sergeants and officers, Prison Corps, Maritime Police and Security and Surveillance Officer of the Spanish Protectorate in Morocco. Thanks to the 300 and 400 models, Astra was able to face the economic crisis produced by the cessation of sales at the end of World War I and by the decrease in consumption in the national market. This crisis in the internal market was due to the approval by the Gobierno de la República, Government of the Republic, of a new regulation on weapons, creating the Weapon License and the Weapon Guide, making its use more restrictive in an attempt to stop the bloody war between gunmen from the bosses and trade unionists. Production started in 1923. The first unit was manufactured with serial number 350,001, and it was withdrawn from the factory catalog in 1946, with the last copy bearing number 630,475, with a total production of 153,085 units. Of these, 63,380 Auto, 22,390 and 32 ACP was exported to Wehrmacht and Luftwaffe, German Army and Air Force, as was the Astra 600 in 9mm Parabellum. Most of the 380 Auto did receive Waffenamp markings. WA 251 means Unceta y Cía. The other models besides 300R, 301, chrome finish and video, 302, engraved, silver finish, 303, relief engraved, chrome finish, 304, relief engraved, silver finish, 305, great relief, silver finished, and 306, damasquinated, sterling gold. In the grip plates, second Astra logotype, 1926 to 1965, with the letters U and C, Unceta y Cía. Designed by Don Pedro Carrega Garza and Juan Esperanza Salvador.